to share data with their team. So
Okay.
I got all that out of them.
Okay, you missed something there though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The revenue, like what are they making and what?
Correct. And
Yeah.
this is what's going to shut down all of your objections and make life easier for you in the future. So we need access to, I can't remember everything you just sold. Metal buildings, national, blah, 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 blah. Hey, just out of curiosity, and just make up some numbers just from them. Where are you guys at in terms of top line revenue? Where are you hoping to get to when you have access to those buildings, when you're able to participate in those contracts? Kind of what's the next big financial milestone that where are you at right now? What's the next big financial milestone you guys want to hit for the organization, Nick?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, answer. Just make something up.
I don't know, maybe do another $50,000 a month in projects.
Got it. Perfect. In 50. So where are you guys at in terms of monthly right now?
We're about 25K.
Okay, so you want to go from 25K to 75K?
Yeah, that'd be good. 50,000 is the target.
Okay, so is the target, because you had said another 50,000, I just want to make sure I'm clear on something. Is the target to get you from 25 to 50, or is the target to get you from 25 to 75?
The target's 50,000.
Okay.
Like we want to do 50,000 at least.
Perfect. I'm gonna write down mission 50,000. Make sure, kind of keep me up after you guys are clients as well, because you had said additional and then 20. That 75, I just want to let you know what we've seen with our other clients, that 75 is not out of the scope of possibilities here, but I'm going to write down mission is to get you from 25 to 50. Okay? Now, that email, you got it. This is, guys, you guys have to just trust me on this. This is why you need to slow down in the beginning. When somebody says, I need access to this, I need access to that, I want to bid on this, I want to bid on that, you've learned almost nothing. When you say, why do you want access to that? Why do you want to bid on this? Where are you at now? Where do you want to be? You've learned everything. And now when you get this email, you can say, no problem, totally understand. Right? I will be here when you guys need to get from 25,000 a month or 300,000, what is that, 300K a year, to 50,000 a month, right? If there's any way you want to get started in this month and grab that extra 25, I'm here for you 100%. My mobile is 720-660-3202. In his email, when did he say they're going to be back?
Yeah, he said he wants to catch up in a couple of weeks.
Perfect. You want to catch up in a couple of weeks. Today is the 12th. I will give you a call. What's 2 weeks from today? The 26th? I'll call you September 26th if I haven't heard from you before then. Again, in the meantime, anything comes up or you guys want to start bidding on those projects to get a leg up on that extra 50 grand, on that extra 25 grand a month, I'm here for you. Boom, that's the email.